How do you stop making excuses? This is actually pretty simple. You have to realize, you have to know, you have to accept that all your excuses are lies. They are lies, all of them.
Stop making excuses and make the adjustment, because you can have what you want, do what you want, be what you want, but you cannot do it if you're coming up with all these reasons why. The window of opportunity is small. It's small, all right? But there's an opportunity.
Stop talking. If you really got a problem with your life, you'll change it.
You only go to another level and you say, enough is enough. You only transition from one level to the next when you're tired of the level you on. And the problem with some of you is you happy being broke. You've gotten content. I want you to live the life you were meant to live.
Anybody who is determined to do something, who wants something to be different, it will eventually be different.
Where there's a will, there's a way. When you've got air in your lungs, then you have no excuse.
I'm tired of everybody running around complaining as if you're on the receiving end of whatever this world wants to dump on you, and you don't have a choice. Everything around you is going to change as soon as you change the things around you.
What fuels you? The reason why you're so lazy is not because you don't have the ability. You're so lazy because your dream's so small.
Think about the things that you tell yourself, the lies you use to rationalize taking the easy road and leaving discipline behind. You're too tired, or you're too sore, or you're just plain not feeling it. Lies, lies, lies. And it doesn't stop if you don't make it stop.
It's just a matter of perspective. You're either gonna be a fucking sheep, or you're gonna be a lion. You're gonna be an attacker and a go-getter.
Some of y'all running around talking too much with all these excuses. You have created every excuse in the world, and you have figured out a way to justify it in your mind, and it makes sense to you. You got a problem with it, but then you justify it. And once you justify it, you stay in it.
Recognize the excuses are not valid. They're lies. And how do you stop the lies? You stop the lies with the truth. The truth will set you free. And the truth is, you have time. You have the skill. You have the knowledge and the support and the willpower and the discipline to get it done.
The transition is not easy. So what happens? In order for you to go from one level to the next level, the thing that they want must be greater than the thing they currently have. Humans do not transition to another level when they're comfortable with the level that they're on.
I'm tired of the excuses.
And suddenly, all of a sudden, everyone in this world has got a damn excuse. When so many of you know damn good and well, deep down, you have no excuse.
I want you to be successful. I want you to stop coming up with reasons and excuses as to why you're doing the same over and over and over and over.
You need to stop this crying all the damn time and get up and do something about it. And the biggest thing I see getting in the way is your fucking feelings. You want to sit there and bitch, whine, and cry about your goddamn feelings all the time. Fuck your feelings. Get up and do something about it.